We're not necessarily going as far as doing like full neuroevolution, which is kind of an evolutionary framework in its own right. But we're just starting with evolutionary algorithms to optimize agent configuration, reasoning structure, knowledge graph structure, as well as some of the other kind of peripheral elements of our agents. So, the reason for that is we're using Sonnet 4 mostly right now. GPT-5, a little bit of GPT 4.1, a little bit of Gemini Flash, and then some custom RAG stuff. And the thing that sucks about using Sonnet or using GPT is you don't have access to the weights. You cannot modify the base model really. And so because of that, you need to build all this infrastructure on top to get the output that you're looking for. And these are amazing models. Any open source model will get totally blown out by Sonnet or by GPT. That's the reason we use them. They outperform every single one. And fine tuning, we've spent plenty of time and money doing it. It's generally not worth it at all. The models out of the box generally work great. And we find the best performance improvements come at the context level. So with these evolutionary algorithms, what we've done is we're creating this genome, which is just like a JSON object, that a lot of the configuration of the various aspects of the agents throughout their life cycle is stored in this genome so that we can kind of compare and contrast. Hey, agents with a genome more similar to this have better Sharpe ratios or have better P&L than agents with these other genomes. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to create a way where we can take the thousands of agents that we're managing and efficiently derive insight and evolve our processes so that users can actually get the optimal output over time. We can only do so much like sitting there and brainstorming and thinking, how can we make these agents? What can we shove in? But, that only scales so well. And so, by using evolutionary algorithms, we can essentially iterate on our agents at a humongous scale using tons of data without, to have 1,000 people or, put in an insane amount of effort. And this is kind of our attempt at saving time, saving money, and giving agents the ability to self-improve without having access to the weights, without being able to implement RLHF or any of the other things that people using open source models benefit from.